Part number 7. Implement a new rule, Rule 7, so that the score is reduced by 10 points if the password contains only digits. So when the program is run, the output may look something like follows. You enter a password that contains only digits, and because there's no uppercase or lowercase, you end up with the score of -1. Okay, so this is a fairly straightforward one here. Basically, I'm going to say, well, if digits, and again, remember, digits was initially false, but that will change to true if the case, or if it does contain a digit in the password. So then I'm going to say, and let me see, uppercase is equal to false. And I'm going to show you a better way to do this in a moment. And lowercase is also equal to false. You notice I'm putting brackets around them there. You don't need to put the brackets around them. It will work without it. So score is equal to score minus 10, which of course I'm going to do a quicker way here. Score minus equals 10. And that should be it. Let's run it. And let's put in the password 1, 2, 3, 4, and just clear my shell here to see this a bit better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and like the test output that we got in the question, I've got -1 as my score. So that looks to be working correctly. Let's just have a quick look at it. I'm using AND here because I want all of these to work out to be true. So what I'm saying here is if digits is true, and uppercase, if that is still false, well, if that's the case, we're going to get true return there. And if lowercase is still false, well, we're going to get true return there as well. So true and true and true. The job done. Go in and take away 10 min from the score. So that is one way to do it. Now another way, and I like this one myself, instead of saying equals false, well, if uppercase is false coming in here, what about just saying not false, not uppercase? So if uppercase was false, not false will turn into true. And similarly, so this is using the not gate. So if lowercase was false coming in here, well, let's say not lowercase, so not false, which will become true. And let's see this in the debugger to really drive it home. So we're going to step over a load of stuff. Let's get the password 1, 2, 3, 4. Step over, step over, step over, step over, step over. Down in there, down to rule number 7. And here we're in rule 7. Let's step into it. So we know now from above, with digits there, of course, it contains a digit, so that's true. Move on, not uppercase. So uppercase is false because it doesn't contain any uppercase letters, but not false, we'll turn that into true. Lowercase again is false, not false, we'll turn that into true. True and true and true. So the AND gate, all inputs must be true to get an output of true, and we get an output of true. So score, take away 10 from the score, and therefore we will get our password is 1, 2, 3, 4, and our score is -1. That is that part.